Alama na amemba ma ODM na Oloote loniwe President William Ruto kulika Silikali yake Maminista nimeethiwa na ivinda yumu kuelesya ambunge Undu mekwianiia nthini wa manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza ila kwambe wa myaka methiitwe maimivua kawa ooyu mutuki no ula unai wa kuvalukya mutalatala wa kilanduka finance bill wa mwaka wa 2024 eli alama alika kivilani ki mute ya muthenyani wa wakatitu wa umundi wa kuthuimwa wailu wa Maminista ma President William Ruto ni vamwe na ke John Mbadi opio andai na alama thuimwa vamwe na Maminista Matene Salim Vyuria Rebecca Miano na Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen Benjamin Mwaka endini wa umbano
ulonai mwene kivilo ODM John Mbadi heiwambe mbiwanzama kutetea unyuvi wake ta Minister muvyano wa kinandu Mbadi kwa myaka kautethirwe itula muti utongoi wa President William Ruto kwisila koti mbingi sya kumuvine ya mwene nthi na umundi no lasima kutetea imbia muungamo wake kukonya mwasanyo wa koti kwa ile muvyao na kuthukuma Silikali kwa ulumu.
It's gone viral, widely known, that you referred to the cabinet secretaries then as skunks. Now you find yourself as one of the nominees. Are you a skunk or are you not?
Bottom-up economic transformation agenda. That is how it is called. Bottom-up is actually a concept of UDA, read Kenya Kwanza. But I want to tell him that if you look at the philosophy of UDA and ODM, there is no difference. There is the Constitution and the PFM Act, which will guide my conduct in office, if approved.
Today you've admitted that there are very many good provisions that were lost in the finance bill. In fact, you're looking for ways by which you will be able to redeem. But you on the floor vehemently opposed this finance bill. In fact, at every clause you said, reject the bill. So now, doesn't this make you appear pretentious, deceitful, and probably a master doublespeak?
There was a referendum, an official referendum by the public on this bill. Mr. Speaker, if you looked at the social space, everybody was saying reject. And since I am representing people, not stones, not animals, I had to listen to the people and do what they wanted, Mr. Speaker, by rejecting the bill. So there is no inconsistency. My trust level is still where it was, Honorable Mbui.
Nikivila niki kila weseli wa munyanye opio wandai ulambi wanyuvyu na indongo yala nini mbungeni wandai hailazima kuelesya miungamo yake melumu ya kusembanya na kukelea Silikali wawiti nani na undu kuthukuma kwa iliangewa ya stima na mauta muvyano wa mwaki na mauta edhwano kuvitukithwa ni mbunge.
The Gen Zs of the youth who are not raising any different issues from the issues you and I, Honorable Mbui, have raised over the years. They could have had a different style, okay? But the issues they were raising were pertinent issues, which you all agree must be dealt with, okay? And therefore, it is not proper to say that we have taken advantage of the Gen Z's clamor to get into government. First and foremost, Honorable Speaker, I never applied to join the executive, but I was pleasantly surprised and felt greatly honored that my name was recommended. I still maintain the view that we are not in any way in betrayal of the cause.
Don't allow Mbui to bully you.
Of the youth, yes.
Honorable Unai, the cost of power in this country is such that it is over the roof. If you get a power bill, you look at it, you know, you're paying so many things apart from, in fact, the units that you are paying for actually become a small part of what you're paying for.
You have been nominated to be the CS Energy and Petroleum. Instead of pontificating on what they are, tell us, if you are confirmed, what do you want to do with them? That will be your vision, and that will be your message to the country.
Angiala mavikambi wanzama hii onyuvi ni vumuna Maminista Matene zamani mbitu ya Maminista Salim Mvulia kutetea onyuvi muvyano watandithia mwandula Rebecca Miano muvyano watalii na mamusi ya kithekani na Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen muviano wa Mwika na Mathau.
Mheshimiwa Mule about Konza Technopolis. This is really a gem for young people because this is a city which is going to host the digital ideas for our country.
We know very well Konza City, the lead ministry is the ICT. But you are coming to a ministry whereby investment, trade and industry will be under your purview.
When the Ministry of ICT is taking leadership, yes, we will work together to ensure that we support them and we create the necessary synergies within government to advertise Konza City, to provide support through Kenya Invest and other institutions in my ministry to ensure that then it becomes a viable project. So there's no contradiction. Sure. We will work together.
Vilingwa mauvo kuwafahamu sini wa Ilovi. Nito Benjamin Mwaka.